Hey there, this is Tara with WTI. I have finally found an insect spray that isn't overpowering, isn't greasy, and doesn't leave me sticky. I was really amazed with this Ranger Ready insect spray because I like to sit out in the evening times and enjoy the weather, but insects absolutely love me. But this spray didn't leave me feeling sticky or oily. And then I also like how it is safe to be able to use on clothes. So if you're gonna go hiking through the woods, it's safe on the clothes and you don't have to worry about if it's gonna cause any kind of damage to them. And it also amazed me that it was safe to use on women who are pregnant, so I was able to take one of the bottles and gift it to my friend who's pregnant right now. And then she also was able to use it on her 2-year-old little daughter and felt safe doing so. So now that I found the perfect insect spray, I am not going back. And in fact, I feel safe that I could gift this to my friends and my family and everyone could enjoy using it. And that is just my point of view.